Okay, we're going to talk about the power of ginseng. We have towards the end individuals making some good recipes and whatnot. So showing you ways of how they prepare and put together ginseng. They even mentioned the type. But for first, we're going to get into the benefits and the power of it and why people abroad use it in their everyday life. Things that they won't share you with you anywhere. But let me give you a few benefits to ginseng. It's clinical studies is done with cognitive functional thinking. They've done that. Clinical study, that was in 2010. Improving your mental performance. 2013, reduce fatigue. They did an actual study on that when it came to your energy and your fatigue. In 2008, they did a study on your blood, improving your blood flow. So circulation support. Circulation support. Man. All right. Well, let's get into it and let's find out why we don't know about this powerful herb right here. I think you need to know. Yes. Let's play. Let's go.
As a Korean American, you know what American doctors don't really talk about compared to like Korean doctors? It's how blood circulation literally affects every part of your health. We can all agree that it is important to some degree, but in East Asian medicine, it is fundamental to longevity, youth, and preventing diseases. Let me break it down. Poor blood circulation equals stagnation. And stagnation, it's like still water. It breeds bacteria that can kill you. Just like how still water is dangerous for you to drink, your body should not be stagnant. Poor blood circulation exponentially increases your chances of sickness and disease. Your blood isn't delivering those virus-fighting cells, which means your body can't fight diseases, it can't fight virus.
Oh, she's giving some fire.
Wounds won't heal properly. Over time, you just get sicker. When you're sick, you don't look cute. You have dry, dull skin, you have dark circles, puffiness, wrinkles, and skincare can only do so much because you're treating the symptoms, not the root of the problem. It's why red ginseng tea is such a big deal in Korean culture. I'd say Koreans are more obsessed with health than beauty, and trust me, they're obsessed with beauty. Plus, Korea's climate grows the most
Did they say they're obsessed with health and beauty? Let's see.
care can only do so much because you're treating the symptoms, not the root of the problem. It's why red ginseng tea is such a big deal in Korean culture. I'd say Koreans are more obsessed with health than beauty, and trust me, they're obsessed with beauty. Plus, Korea's climate grows the most nutrient-dense ginseng in the world. Ginseng isn't just a tea, it's like a way of life in Korea. Take it from me and glow from the inside out with red ginseng. Your body will thank you.
Wow. They said they're obsessed with beauty out there, but they're more obsessed with ginseng. Red ginseng. There ain't know something you don't know? She titled it up there something they won't tell you, you know? They won't give you that information. But let's get to the next one. Go ahead, King.
Okay, so why am I always talking about ginseng? The better question to ask yourself is why do people who suffer with diabetes, erectile dysfunction, chronic fatigue, or even kidney failure, why do they always talk about panax ginseng? Well, check this out. According to the Barton's Encyclopedia of Herbal Medicine, all ginsengs enhance the natural resistance and recuperative power of the body. Recuperative power is the ability to help someone regain their health or strength after an illness or injury. So wait, let's put one and one together and make two. So you mean to tell me most people that suffer with recuperative problems, i.e. reasons why diabetes is directly tied to pancreatitis, your liver, your spleen, your gallbladder, or erectile dysfunction is tied to capillary dysfunction, blood flow dysfunction, ginseng comes in,
Ooh, this brother know his stuff.
I don't know, heals all of these things? Don't just take my word for it. Barton's Encyclopedia of Herbal Medicine, what they say? Physical weakness, recovery after surgery, physical and intellectual efficiency, a mood raiser, feelings of well-being and stability. It even helps with depression, sexual debility. I mean, come on, the list goes on. So if you're going to take it in the tea form, start with a half a teaspoon into a cup of boiling water, let it simmer for about 10 minutes, and then start there. For everyone, it is a little bit bitter. Now, if you want to do it the Coach Brian way, you can get you a tincture, one full squeeze into a little shot glass full of water, and you'll be good. But most importantly, Jesus King, I love you guys and have a blessed day.
Fight! He knew what he was talking about. He just gave you that work. This is why I can't wait till I get this directory going. You can find these individuals on your own right there. Oh my God, I'm working on an app that's going to be ridiculous. Wait till they get a load of me. Ah! Anyways. Next. Now they gonna tell you 5 ways that her mama and I guess people out there in culture they use and eat ginseng. Let's see. Let's see. I want to see.
5 ways my mom and I eat ginseng for glowy skin and a strong immune system. 1. Ginseng chicken soup. It's filled with so much collagen from the chicken, and the ginseng adds a ton of health benefits. It's super easy to make and it's so good for your skin. 2. Ginseng teas with ginseng extract and honey. This one is 100
Was that a hen? Hold on.
ton of health benefits. It's super easy to make and it's so good for your skin. 2. Ginseng teas with ginseng extract and honey. This one is 100% pure Korean ginseng extract. It's super concentrated, so
Ginseng extract. I think they. Okay, I need to see that.
it's so good for your skin. 2. Ginseng teas with ginseng extract and honey.
Ginseng tea with ginseng extract. Ginseng tea with ginseng extract and honey. Look at there. That's a cool combination and infusion right there.
This one is 100% pure Korean ginseng extract. It's super concentrated, so a little bit goes a very long way. My mom likes to add
Super concentrated. That's why it's an extract.
a little bit of honey to balance out the bitterness of the ginseng. I prefer red ginseng honey because it's less bitter but still has the amazing benefits of ginseng. Both are amazing for your skin and health. 3. Ginseng fruit smoothies. We love adding a piece of ginseng into our morning smoothies because they help reduce stress and boost energy levels. The best part is that it actually tastes amazing. Bonus tip. Koreans also have been drinking ginseng in the form of liquor for centuries. Ginseng really does it all.
Wow. The ginseng and liquor. I didn't know that. So this is what they do naturally in their culture. But I just wanted to make sure you have some things that you can know how to take things. I'm gonna start playing those. Put that down below if you want me to find recipes, because I need to start playing things that you can put together. Everything ain't just herbish, just herbs and just tastes crazy. You can make it taste good. You can make it into anything that you want. Case in point, check this brother out.
Let's make some ginseng shots. So we have fresh ginseng, 1 pineapple, and 1 lemon. Now, ginseng is a powerful herb that is known to lower blood sugar and cholesterol. It also helps to reduce stress, promotes relaxation, and helps with memory and erectile dysfunction.
And erectile dysfunction. You saw that he had just 1 lemon and 1 pineapple. Let's go.
Dysfunction. And for women over 40, there was a study that demonstrated that ginseng may significantly improve hot flashes and other menopausal symptoms. Now, nothing is wasted in this recipe because we're going to use the pulp to make some tea for later. So we got our tea bags and we're going to freeze these tea bags and use them later. All right, go ahead, get your juice on.
When he said shots, he wasn't lying. The things are staggering. Look at there. A lemon and a pineapple grinding up with some ginseng. Make sure I had that right. Lemon, pineapple, yeah, and ginseng. Man, it's creativity right there. I'm going to try that. Yeah. Only because the queen just bought a pineapple today. We keep lemons and we ain't got to, but we keep lemons because we got like 4, 5 lemon trees in the back. Just need to give me some ginseng. I'm gonna shoot her this video. Matter of fact, I'm gonna make it myself. And I'm gonna give it to her and see what it do. On that note, because this is Mother Nature's gifts to healthy living. Y'all take care. Peace.
Do you have questions about your health or business development and strategies? Herbis Kareem is now offering private one-on-one consultations where you can receive personalized guidance based on your situation. Visit 4cyclesoflife.com to learn more. The consultation link is in the description.